Alright guys, so today I'm actually painting something for Uber. Uber has their big anniversary party tomorrow, which is Wednesday, and they wanted to have a sweet installation piece for their party, and people can like kind of interact with it and take pictures. So I cut out this car with the help of my brother-in-law. My brother-in-law pretty much cut it out, everything, because I'm not that handy with wood. So he cut out this shape of the car. Right now it doesn't really look like a car really. Check it out. But it's the front of a car, so when I'm done painting it, it's gonna look epic and just like a car. Making art today for Uber. So I just finished this car. It's taken way longer than I thought. I just have to add their Uber hashtag, but check it out. I love it. Arizona sunset. You can ride Uber during the day. Got some creatures eating AZ, cactus, Arizona. Got another monster creature guy right here eating Uber. And then the mountains keep continuing up here to night, so you can ride Uber day and night, anytime. Cool colors. Hashtag's gonna be right here, just need to add that, but this basically stands up and people could take pictures like through the window. Sloughed it up. Excited to take it to the anniversary party tomorrow. It's gonna be sweet. Whoa. Hope you guys like the process. Something a little different this time. And what should I paint next? Comment below, tell me, subscribe. Peace.